What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel of Funnel Squad. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a thumbnail with Photoshop. First thing you need to do, you need to have a Photoshop. Here I have Photoshop CS6 over here. You can use whatever Photoshop you want, but you need Photoshop to make a thumbnail. First thing you need to do is open your background. You can use whatever background you want. I'm gonna use okay, still searching. Okay, I'm gonna use this background. Open it on Photoshop. Okay. Try use HD quality background or a wallpaper, because more quality you have on your photo is more thumbnail, more good thumbnail, more beautiful thumbnail you can get. Okay. Here I'm gonna open a Havoc gun. Okay. First thing you need to do, you want to make the thumbnail gun move to the background photo. Okay. Here I'm gonna use a pen tool over here, and then zoom in and make a line from the Havoc. Okay, I'm just faster video in this section. Okay, we're almost done over here. Okay, connect it into the first path, and then what you're gonna do is at your object, right click and then make selection. Make sure it's 0 pixels and then click OK. Okay. And then the second thing you need to do is use your move tool. Okay, your move tool, and then grab it, move the object into your background. Okay, you maybe think it's so small. It's easy. Just use Ctrl T on keyboard to adjust the size of the object. Okay. Okay, let's make it bigger over here. Okay. And then click apply. Okay. If you still think when you are in this mode, I cannot do anything, I cannot click this, it's because you not apply the situation. You just need click a tool from your left side and then click apply, and then you good to go. Now you want to remove this thing, and to make the Havoc is line up with the background, just grab eraser tool and then set up the size of the eraser tool. Okay, make it bigger, smaller, then okay, make bigger, more bigger, then zoom in, and then okay, clear the thing that you not want it. Okay, I just skip it. Now I want to make an outline, so you need to do is click FX on the right side, here the right side, and then click stroke, and then customize your outline. Here I'm gonna choose white color, and then bigger size, and you can customize your opacity too. It's up to you. Now I want to make a text. Okay, click text tool over here, click on the where you want to make a text, and then type what title you're gonna use for this video. Okay, here I'm gonna use Havoc Madness. Okay, I'm gonna type it. Okay, and use your move tool to move the text, and then you want to make an outline too for this text so it's more cool. Okay, make a same stroke and then click OK, and then you want to change the color of the text, block the text, and then change the color. Okay, and you want to make the text bigger, block it, and then adjust the size. Okay, I'm gonna make, okay, use your move tool, and then you may be asked how to make the Havoc is in front of the text. Okay, thing you need to do is move the Havoc on the right side up, and then you can see the Havoc is in front of the text. Okay, we're good to go. And if you want to change the font, you can search it on Google. Okay, just search the font on Google. Wait. Okay, recommend the font to download the font. Okay, over here. Here I'm gonna use this font. Just click download. And then you download it, and then you download the file. Okay, open the file. Over here I'm gonna extract the file. Extract here, then okay, then open the file. It's very easy, just click install. Wait for a second, and then okay, it's installing, and then you're good to go. You can change the font from Report Shop. Okay, over here I'm gonna place an arrow. Okay, let's search for arrow. Okay, just download it from internet. Just type arrow png on Google and then you have one. Okay, over here I have arrow. Okay, you can adjust the arrow too. Okay, it's wonderful. Okay, and then place. To change the thumbnail, you need go to YouTube Studio. Okay, make sure you log into your Google account or your YouTube channel, and then go to video. Sorry guys, over here I use my language version, so just click on video. Okay, go down, and then choose what video you're gonna edit and click the pencil icon, and then you want to save the data, click save as, and then use JPEG and save. Okay, I'm gonna change the name, save, and then adjust how big the file is. To make a thumbnail you cannot over 2 megabytes, so I just make it 1.5 megabytes. Okay, and then click OK. Then click three dots over here. I don't know what in your in English. What? Just click it and search it. Search what thumbnail you're gonna use. Okay. Then change thumbnail. Oh, sorry guys. The thumbnail is over 2 megabytes. I need to customize thumbnail. Okay. Okay, we're good to go, and then save your change. Okay, that's it. You have beautiful thumbnail. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you all in the next video. Bye. I love you all, guys.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.